Here's a 2007 Porsche Cayman. Precise steering, perfectly balanced handling, and exceptional cornering ability. That is what you expect from a driver-oriented sports sedan, and that is exactly what this Cayman delivers. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. AM/FM stereo radio, garage door transmitter, front heated leather bucket seats, power front windows, driver memory seats, H6 engine, aluminum wheels, sport suspension, and power heated mirrors. Car and Driver raves about its precise steering feel, firm and reassuring brake pedal, swoopy bodywork, useful cargo capacity, and sound of music flat 6. There's no substitute for a Porsche. Hurry in today for a test drive.
At Porsche Atlanta Perimeter, we prove that buying a car can be a world-class experience. Contact Porsche Atlanta Perimeter today. We're conveniently located inside I-285 on Peachtree Boulevard.